what was the middle finger for?
Sped up at us.
I didn't speed up at you.
When somebody shows up and is just like smiling at you like that, they're just like dorks to me. All right, everybody, we got a Moto Madness video. The goal of these videos is to do an after action review on figure out what kind of crashes and close calls and how we can prevent them ourselves with the road strategy that we have here at the MTC Rider Academy. Sign up today. Jay Brown down here, Hot Springs, Arkansas. Speeds up. Okay, doesn't like us, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pass them. If they want to speed up and pass us, they can go ahead and speed up and pass us. Escalating the situation. Why did he put his foot down?
Moments.
You guys see that? They got front. Why did he put his foot down? Right in the comments. See if you guys are paying attention. Okay, decent positioning. Oh, getting pissed off people. Truck's clean. Okay. Happy about it. Happy about it. Ooh.
I can't hear you, what?
Oh, you did hear him, though. Go. I don't know. Anyways, moving on.
Thanks for spitting on me, bud.
Yeah, keep it up. Flip me off again.
You.
Motherfucker. You're such a badass, you
They're children. Just children. Yeah, then you start, yeah. Come on. Come on, Hunter. Sit down. Get back in the car. Jesus. Move on. Move on. We're moving on. Oh. He's the owner of Scott's Auto Body. Got a little shout out there for you.
Вітер сьогодні, ну просто капець якийсь.
Oh, line of sight, line of sight. Good position, good position. We have an escape, we have an escape. What's going on here? Why are we stopping? Why are we stopping? Oh! Dude, you weren't paying attention in the back.
Блять. Блять.
I think I needed a better escape path. We found one.
А? Влетів в мене. Позаду, не встиг відгальмувати.
Whoa, what a jerk.
Костя, як так?
Я не відгримувався.
At least he came back.
Спеціально ж взяв вправо, ти ж бачив.
Та, я...
You guys should be communicating to each other on your Cardo Pack Dog Bolds, guys. Come on. You see the little headset here? Come on. Communicate. Communicate. Probably weren't paying attention.
Почав гальмувати, бачив, мене почав кидати заднім колесом.
Ти що, заднім колесом гальмував?
Looks like Ukraine's doing pretty well. Oh, we got our lesson. We got a little lesson right there. Gotta get prepped for it. All right, 1 minute lesson from Cardo. Use code DDTF. Grab yourself a Pack Talk Edge. That's what we use. We talk to each other, 15 people, dynamic mesh, 2 miles. Anyways, as a motorcycle rider, we're talking about Orange Stage, Unit 1, Lesson 3 of the MTC Rider Academy, Basic Smart Rider. So Orange Stage, we're prepped and ready. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, we're going into an intersection. We see the possible left turners. We're going into a corner. We have, corners are a problem, failure to navigate a corner, blind spots, a bunch of stuff. So anything that's going to give you that gut reaction, like what is going on? I don't get it, is when we're going to go into Orange Stage. We talk about Yellow Stage, Red Stage, and all the other ones in the Academy, but make sure that we're understanding that it's just an alertness. It's kind of like a paranoia just for a little bit, and you're assessing and possibly navigating any type of threats, but it usually pops up when you're locating hazardous situations, okay? So corners, intersections, blind spots, dogs in the middle of the road, kids in the road. Either way, thank you so much, Cardo, for sponsoring this 1 minute lesson. Check it out, links in the description for some Cardo units and the MTC Rider Academy. Junior Adventure, whoa! What was that? Oh, we got a little dust devil. Happens. Cardo with the JBL speakers, love it. Love the JBL speakers. All right, Zone 04 in France. Oh, got passed up. Not a big deal. We're going into Orange Stage, going into an intersection. Okay, this is why we're practicing our Orange Stage. I'm going to talk about Orange Stage a lot during this. Another Orange Stage situation. We've seen this one before. Emerging area. It's a hazardous situations. If you notice, the L and A are orange for a reason on plan, because we're supposed to be locating hazardous situations and assessing if they're even threats. Red Stage if they are threats. We're constantly putting ourselves in good positions in Yellow Stage. All right, Graz, here we go. Going through here. Watch out. Switching lanes. Blind spot. Orange stage. Oh, brake lights. Orange stage. What's going on? We don't know. We don't know.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
They're switching lanes. They're being dumb. We're on a Z125. Thankfully, it's not super crazy fast. Don't do that. Don't do that, Graz. You're not that cool, all right? Orange stage, we got side of the vehicle. You see the front end dive? So when we talk about braking, progressive braking, so progressive braking, it's supposed to look like it's not going to be that jerky movement, but it's going to be going down, and then at the end, it kind of bounces when you apply the brakes all the way. When we see this right here, look at the vehicle, no brakes, and it's going to slam the brakes, and it's going to dive in. So when you apply brake pressure, you're actually getting weight to that front. Okay, so it's the same thing with vehicle, any vehicle. You're getting weight to that front. Try sprinting your hardest and then slam the brakes on your feet. Stop them. You're going to fly forward. Same thing, okay? So right here, there's the brakes, weight transferred. And the reason why it stopped because there's traction on those tires. So when we're doing progressive braking, what we're trying to do is go, let's say, from 100% speed, which could be 20 miles an hour. It's just 100%, right? Because we're not decelerating yet. So it's 100% acceleration. That's what I should be saying. So you apply some progressive braking. So now it's like 90-10, 10% braking, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50. And it's like, you know what? I have traction on the front tire and I can squeeze it even more. And then it's going to allow you to stop in time. We talked about that at the MTC Rider Academy. That's going to be Unit 3. Okay. Nathan's going to be teaching about braking basics. The landing is soft for the biker. In this case, a lucky escape from injury is achieved. Oh, cycle punked. Oh, we've seen this one. So he's going to pass this vehicle, and he's just going to go too fast into a corner. Corners are supposed to be an orange stage. Okay, slow look, press, and roll. We weren't doing that. And we dumped the bike. Still very painful. Thankfully, he had a nice little runoff and no other vehicles coming at him. Easily could have been underneath a truck, squashed his head, all that stuff. All right, here we go. Moving through here. On an Indian, switching lanes, open lane pattern, switch back over. That guy was switching into us. Switch over. We talked about that a little bit. Thankfully, he's got a... Yeah, Scooter Chronicles. All right, we are turning left. Okay, pedestrian, not a big deal. That guy's gonna come into our lane. Trucks make wide turns. Just didn't see you. Good job with the progressive braking. So when we're coming up to here, we're in orange stage because this is an intersection, right? It's an intersection. Look at that. Orange stage. We're prepped and ready, even wearing full orange, okay? I know we've seen this one. We're going to just talk briefly about it because it's an orange stage situation. So we're in the blind spot, hazardous situation. Talking about planning our ride, right? Locating hazardous situation, assessing if this guy's a threat. Now we're going to have to navigate it because he became a threat because he's in our lane. So what we can do at this point, since we're not speeding, we're not going super fast, we can roll off the throttle. Apply the brakes, roll off the throttle, handled it, put himself in a new position so he didn't get sandwiched. Did a great job. But that's definitely an orange stage situation. We're in Mexico. Okay, switching over. Oh, smash our hand easily. Last thing you want to get is your hand stuck between metal. Okay, orange stage. Oh, lost his top case. Yeah, need to secure that, everybody. I think he just ran it over. See if there's any money in there. But when we're lane filtering, we should be in orange stage. Because we don't have escapes to the left or right. All we can really do is accelerate or decelerate. Good job on moving it off the road. Oh, orange stage. Watch out for any sides of the bike. Anybody doing dumb stuff? Side of the kitty cat. Side of the little kitty cat. That cat is scared. Very trusting, wants to get off the road, doesn't know what's going on. Just wants to stay. There you go. Just put him in your top case. Just put him in your top case. Yeah, ensure your own safety. Get yourself off the road. Oh, that's what my little cat Dexter looked like at one point. There you go. Let him off. There you go. Very good. Thank you so much, everybody. This is a quick little video. Hope you guys liked it. Links in the description for Cardo. Links in the description for the MTC Rider Academy. Sign up, and I'll be seeing you guys around.